Black seed oil is the newest trendy supplement that has the potential to revolutionize the health and wellness industry. It is technically derived from the fruit of Nigella sativa plant, a tiny flowering plant native to Southwest Asia, the Middle East, and Southern Europe. This medicine has been utilized for centuries by Muslims in South and Central Asia, and Ayurveda, the Indian system of holistic medicine, has also adopted it. The first documented application of black seed oil was in the 1600s. Nigella sativa and black cumin seed are two other names for this spice. Nigella belongs to the buttercup family, Ranunculaceae, alongside other potent plants like golden seal, black kahash, and yellow root, each of which has its own unique set of advantages. Similar to the way that many plants that thrive in harsh environments have evolved defense mechanisms to protect themselves. If the you weren't enough to convince you, this is clearly some kind of superfood or herbal supplement. Therefore, black seed oil has been used for centuries and has the support of nutritional experts. However, you don't have to take our word for it. We've outlined 7 proven advantages of black seed oil, as well as whom it may be the most beneficial for and how to get it into your diet. Now let's talk about the 7 health benefits of black seed oil. Number 1. Powerful antioxidants. The free radical damage to your cells is mitigated by those antioxidants. In particular, thymoquinone, which is found in abundance in black seed oil, is beneficial to the lungs, reduces inflammation, and protects the liver. Number 2. Beneficial for respiratory health. Black seed oil is also thought to be beneficial for promoting lung health and warding off illnesses like bronchial asthma. It has been demonstrated to help reduce the inflammation in that airway, thereby improving asthma management, likely due to the antioxidants it contains. Always check with your doctor before beginning a new treatment. By the way, if you find value in this video and want to help us create more excellent health-related topics, don't forget to hit that thank you button and give your support to the creators of modern health. Number 3. Reduces inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of black seed oil can be traced back to its high antioxidant content. They assist the body deal with inflammation, which in turn lower the risk of developing diseases, including diabetes, heart disease, and Alzheimer's. Some malignancies such as those of the blood, intestines, and lungs may be prevented as a result. How black seed oil affected oxidative stress in patients with rheumatoid arthritis was the focus of a minor study published in the Avicenna Journal of Phytomedicine. After weeks of supplementation, researchers saw a decrease in inflammation and improvement in oxidative stress among the supplement group compared to the placebo group. Despite the small size, the findings are encouraging. Number 4. Lowers cholesterol levels. Black seed oil could be a helpful addition to your medicine cabinet if you have high cholesterol. Research has shown that black seed oil can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease by normalizing blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Number 5. Contains a healthy dose of fatty acids. There are a lot of healthy fats in black seed oil. However, the body is unable to generate unsaturated fats like omega-6 and omega-9, which are widely regarded as beneficial to health. In addition to assisting with hair and skin regeneration, omega-6 also aids in energy production and mood enhancement, while omega-9 is helpful for the former. Number 6. Stabilizes blood sugar levels. Although black seed oil has been linked to weight loss in certain preliminary studies, more investigation is required before any firm conclusions can be drawn. From our findings, we can conclude that the antioxidants included in black seed oil can aid in controlling blood sugar levels, and that such control is associated with better weight management. keep in mind that maintaining a healthy blood sugar level is crucial to your overall health. Blood sugar imbalances can have short-term effects on mood and energy, and long-term consequences, including an increased chance of developing cardiovascular disease and kidney disease. Obviously, the more knowledge you have, the better. Number 7. Improves cognitive function. There's only a tiny bit of study on this, but please hear us out. The Journal of Ethnopharmacology reported on a small study with 20 older people that suggested black seed might improve memory and concentration. This research looked at how Nigella sativa affected the brain function and memory of senior citizens. These individuals were randomly assigned to either receive a placebo or a pill twice a day for 9 weeks. The Nigella sativa improved memory, focus, and cognitive ability in a battery of tests. It also helps in a wide variety of skin conditions. To boot, you'd love it if your skincare products included black seed oil. One massive meta-analysis published in the Journal of Tropical Medicine found it to be effective in treating psoriasis and acne. Now that we have discussed the benefits of using black seed oil, what are the risks of using it? Black seed oil is generally regarded as a safe and healthy supplement. Nevertheless, it may not be suitable for those with specific conditions. If you have kidney problems or a family history of renal problems, you should avoid black seed oil because of the harmful effects it has been demonstrated to have on kidney health. Black seed oil may interact with other medications, so it's best to check with your doctor first. This is especially true if you already take blood-thinning or beta-blocking drugs. How frequent and how much of black seed oil should you take? Capsules and teaspoon doses are popular forms of administration. A daily dose of 800 milligrams in pill form or around a teaspoon of the oil has been suggested. You might try a black seed cold pressed oil capsule or buy a medium-sized bottle of black seed oil. Although the oil is preferable to the supplement, if 1 teaspoon is too much, half a teaspoon will do. This oil is best used as a finishing touch after the meal has been prepared rather than during the cooking process. It's also recommended that you use it as a salad dressing, but it also goes well in smoothies, teas, and lattes. If you're more interested in black seed oil skin-enhancing properties, you may either use it topically or look for skincare products that contain it as a star component. Which among these health benefits did you find most interesting? Don't forget to share your answers in the comment section. Well, you may also share this video to your friends and loved ones. We really appreciate you supporting this channel and thank you for watching this video.